Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I got a very interesting recipe. It's a delicacy, a Mangalorean delicacy. It is a prawn curry with one vegetable. Now choice is yours, you can use any vegetable, but today I am going to use the green pumpkin. Can we have a fast look at the ingredients now? Come. I said I am going to cook prawn with one vegetable. I have de-shelled, de-veined it, wash it in several waters. I have not marinated because prawn should never be marinated before cooking. And this is the vegetable I am using. It's the green pumpkin. Yeah, you can use raw banana also, but I did not get it in the market, so I brought this. Okay, approximately 1 kg of this vegetable and half kg of prawn. For the ingredients, we'll start with your coconut, one fresh coconut scraped, okay, 15 red chilies, you can take any variety, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, teaspoon, okay, 3 teaspoons coriander seeds, 1 marble size tamarind, okay, and here I will take 2 teaspoons of mustard. Mustard will roll, so I have kept it in the container only. Half a teaspoon of less than half a teaspoon of turmeric. And I have 15 red chilies. I told you this. And 1 onion sliced. All these masalas, I have to roast it on a tawa. Roast it on a pan individually, separately. Then grind it. Now I will show you how to roast it. Come, we'll go to the kitchen. I have to individually fry this. Okay? I'll start with this. One onion, that is. I'll put little oil for that, so it fries well. Let it become brown. My dear viewers, this is a little cumbersome, but when you eat, it is a very nice delicacy. So you must have patience while cooking. You see, every ingredient is special here, okay, from salt to the spices. One coconut. You don't burn the coconut, just roast it till it loses that raw aroma. Okay, it's done. I have kept it on high heat. Slightly brown tinge it should have. See, I'm getting that flavor, you know, fried coconut flavor. put off the tawa and leave this here only till it gets cool. All the masala has to get cooled. Meanwhile, I'll clean the vegetable. It's a tender one, okay. You have to de-skin it. Because, okay, in the same way I will do the others, so many inside. And I'll show you what size to cut. Same manner, you cut the others. Because when it is cooked, getting cooked, it has to match with the prawns that I am having. Yes, in the same way I'll cut the others. Step is boiling the vegetable. Keep it on high flame only. In some fenugreek seeds. Don't roast it for a long time, they will turn bitter. Okay, I'll put boil it in water with little salt. Little salt too. Okay, and these two green. It's the time for me to grind the masala. I'll grind in 2 stages because this is sufficient. This vessel is not sufficient for it. Okay, grind it into a fine paste. So as this is getting ground, the pumpkin will get cooked. So we time it properly. Now I should not forget to put the tamarind and turmeric powder. Yes. And keep putting water, okay, as and when needed to grind it. I tell my viewers, please have patience. If you want to eat well, you have to have patience. To grind one more batch, okay? Because all the red chilies was in this. Little more, it has to get cooked. Now I will put the masala. Let this come to a boil, okay, before I put the prawns. So increase the flame. I think this much water is. Okay, now is the time to put the prawns. About 30 prawns I got, half kg. Okay, and keep it to cook for 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes the prawns will be done. Now, the last step. See how you all will jump while eating that recipe, having that. Now I have to baga these onions, okay, make it brown. And that I have to put it in that dish. Put oil now. Remember, I did not baga that. So little coconut. This is 1 onion chopped. Let it fry. And one thing very funny, see the aroma of the, roasted this thing. Ah, lovely. You all must surely try this, okay? And the prawns are cooked. Just another minute. Rantele, khatele, bastele, khush. And then your daddy will eat. He's waiting. People were asking me, oh, I am a Goan, I am a Mangalorean. I am a Goan but married a Mangalorean. So we are mangoes. Okay, I'll put it off. I put it off, let it be there. I have to attend to this. Because after these onions are fried, I have to pour this seasoning into that dish. I'm putting it off. Okay, and I will put it in the curry. And while serving, my dish is ready. My dear viewers, you follow exactly step by step my recipe like a teacher I have taught you all. Okay? Cook, taste, and then put in your comments. Okay? Good or bad. And press the bell icon. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is the best part, the fishing part. This is fishing. You know, when the children eat, they start fishing their prawns. You know what's the beauty of this? This vegetable also gets the taste of the prawns. That's why they put konkani munta ideta. Sometimes you put potatoes also. So even the vegetable tastes like prawn. See how wonderful.